So this is how we're going to change the courtesy light, or interior light if you like, on the Fiesta. What you need is a good old plastic panel tool again, and you just, to the front side, just pop it in, lever it down like that, and then put your tool in and just follow it round the edge, and then it will pop out. As simple as that. Now in there is your bulb, and you also have a metal heat shield kind of reflector thing. So in order to change the bulb, you need to pop that off, and it's a bit of a tight one, so I may have to put the camera down for a minute. Oh no, there it goes. Now with the heat shield out of the way, it makes it far easier to change the bulb, which will now just flick out. There it is. Change that, and then you just literally clip it all back together again. It's as easy as that.